Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today we're going to process a deer inside the shed with friends and hubby.
A lot of times it's easier, honestly, to go and just put these right on the finish. Take this page roll out. Put it up the next one right there. And then you guys can just get rid of it. This guy can go in. Just throw it on a.
Yep.
That guy can go in. Got it? Then I run all the way down the neck on each side.
Put it on the floor if you want. There's a box right here. Want to solve off?
Nope.
Didn't figure you did. Show off.
I don't know what. I'll take this in and bum it out, right?
Yeah.
Grab one. A little stiffer because I do all my skin.
I want that torch it, Jim?
I probably will just to touch everything up here. I just undo that tendon, and I start up top, and I just work myself around the bone with the tip. Now that bone is gonna come down here to the knuckle, and then it's gonna run straight down to this joint right here, like that. So I have to get underneath this.
So it's just pure aggression. I mean, that's the one thing that we're missing. He is just
Confidence.
yes, it's the
Confidence.
aggressive. Yeah.
And then I pull a lot, and I should just pull away. So that's the Asabuca that I was talking about.
I think
Yeah.
my boss likes that. He said something about that too.
I do a lot of pulling, and yeah, like I know where everything's at though. So like your top and your bottom, I just use my tip. I just work it out of there, and there's 3 big seams in this thing. If you keep pulling, it'll almost separate from it, you know? Obviously, I cut that off.
Scrap box and put it right beside him.
And like that stuff, like I just.
Yep.
You
I
take a
pitch
good
it.
margin. Yeah.
Yeah. All set.
Commercial grinder.
You can send this whole fucking thing through. a commercial
It'll
grinder.
chew it up, a little grinder. We were wondering about how much they would handle
Yeah.
of that stuff before it balls up on
Very little.
Very. Yeah.
And I knew that. That's why I was telling you guys, trim, trim, trim.
It's like that. I'll just cut that chunk right out. Right there.
How long do you prefer to hang it here?
I really haven't.
Ever come up with
I
nothing?
mean, I've hung them for a week. Do I see a huge difference? No.
You just hear all the old timers, oh, you
Yep.
gotta hang it for 10 days. And I know they could stick around for quite a while out there. We used to have them stacked up like cordwood.
So this is pretty much I'm just filleting off.
Yeah.
all
I've
that.
seen you do that, and I'm like, that's freaking brilliant.
You got it.
Put the fat side down.
Put the fat side down and
Yes.
just fillet it off like a fish. These guys.
You have a personal grinder?
I do. I have a 32 head. I mean, it's good for home shit. Really good. I mean, it's the smaller ones are like a 22 head. They're pretty small. This one's about like this.
Motor operated?
Yep. So this loin, who's deer?
How long did we fight with that?
Well, see, that's the deal. That's what I like, is that you can be more aggressive. We were being dainty.
And if I need a little bit more, I just, you know, it's one less bite you're gonna get out of your loin.
So you can put that all in the.
So then, I will,
Just hold on that.
yes. I'll just kind of like take, I'll trim this up a little bit. And then same thing, this thicker side is facing me now.
So is this tenderloin or backstrap?
There's a backstrap.
Tenderloins are what's inside.
Well, it's, everybody calls them different, or they don't
Yeah.
know what they are, so everything's just tenderloin.
This is a pork chop. I guess is the easy way to think of it.
Unless you tell them.
There's really no right or wrong way with these. It's just, I mean, I probably throw,
No, we throw a lot
It's-
away.
We throw a lot away.
I don't give two fucks about none of that shit. I'll get some big chunks out of it and I'm done with it.
yep. Because it's, I mean,
Been here 6 years.
probably didn't have a whole lot of deer there.
I don't know. We were wondering who was the type.
Me and you.
They
The
have deer in the
Philippines have deer?
Philippines? She said, "Nah, here watching the birds at the bird feeder, cardinals and blue jays and stuff." Yeah, sure it is.
That's not much.
Yeah. It's a nice
I
bag.
remember you guys talked about it over there.
Because, well, my wife just bought my younger.
What do you normally work, man? When I call you?
What's that?
What's
7-3:30. Yeah.
Go smoke, right?
Yeah. Tell you what.
Yeah, they free up, you get me back up.
What do you do for the state then?
So I am the, what they call this, don't like, capital, careful. If you see anything, we'll just X-ray that. Underneath right now. Doesn't look terrible. I'd rather be careful and go around the damn
Yeah.
thing, but instead of going through it. I mean, it's not terrible, but. Take that off. Because you want some jerky meat, right? How much jerky meat you want?
Probably
About an hour later, it was gone. I'm like, must have been all right. Hell, I just go to Tyson's and get the high mountain, and then I dope it up a little bit with some Worcestershire and some brown sugar, and all be good. I dehydrate mine.
That's how I usually make it too. I'll soak it overnight with the marinade they have. But then I'll take dehydrated ghost chilies and reapers.
Oh yeah, yeah. You brought the pickles. Those
Yeah.
things were freaking
I
amazing.
got some over there on the table.
I've never had a pickle like that.
Fucking awesome, ain't they? I don't know that I've ever had any Bob's.